Thomas Dudley Limited was started by my great-grandfather back in 1920. We have 5 businesses, all based largely around building and construction product. The plastic side started up in the 1950s, though we're now making the largest range of plumbing products anywhere in the UK. The big challenges that we're facing at the moment is we have very, very high costs of energy. Anywhere possible that we can save energy cost is really important. Enviro introduced us to the decarbonisation net zero programme. The first step in the programme is to look at what energy we're using and to do an audit. The Enviro report recommended 5 main areas that we could look at to save our energy. Putting smart meters around and then having the portal that Enviro are able to support you with actually tells you how much energy you're using at certain half-hour periods during the day. There were some simple ones, repairing compressed air leaks and making sure that our compressor is working as efficiently as possible. Looking at our heating, we've got some very old heating in there. The standard problem of fluorescent lighting, so we're looking at replacing that out with LED lighting. But probably the biggest area that we've identified is how inefficient some of the injection moulding machines are. The total cost of all 5 areas is just over £400,000, but as part of the application we have asked for the full match funding of £100,000. Based on the savings that Enviro have calculated, we think we can save about £85,000 per annum, so that brings down the payback period and makes it much more justifiable for us. It's more than just the programme, because working with businesses like Enviro, it just makes common sense to try and save energy wherever you possibly can. And outside of the scope of this programme directly, we're taking advice at this moment in time on how we may be able to look at putting solar panels on the roof. So it's not just a one-off, this is a programme that we will inside the programme that has really turbocharged what we've been able to do.